guys, and welcome back to No Coffee Needed. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we are so glad that you are joining us today, and we've got something extremely special and sweet and special. What more could you ask for? Several of you have asked, what about desserts on the Pit Boss? And guys, when we did the Ironman retreat several weeks ago down in Alabama, we did a ton of desserts on the Pit Boss. I think that sparked a lot of interest from you. So guys, I just want to show you a real quick, real easy, real simple recipe. I promise you will knock the socks off of all of your friends when you invite them over to cook. And it is called a dump cake, and this is just one version. You can substitute the different fruits, the different pie fillings, whatever it is to your liking. But today, we're gonna do a dump cake on the Pit Boss. So guys, let's get started. Real quick, I just want to tell you how much we appreciate you joining in today. It means an absolute world to me, Sandy, and Bo. That's right, Bo, the Golden Retriever. Just want to tell you how much y'all mean to each and every one of us. And if you haven't, we would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Make some comments down below. Ring that little bell so you don't miss out on anything we've got coming to you from right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So anyway, guys, if you would, we'd greatly appreciate it if you'd go ahead and do those things. Anyway, go ahead and make some comments down below. Tell us what's your favorite dessert on the Pit Boss or any smoker that you're working with. Just tell us what your favorite dessert is. Tell us where in the world are you viewing from? Where do you live? Tell us how far away from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina you live. We'd love to know where you're from. So anyway, this is real simple. Again, this is real simple, real quick, real easy. I promise you, you will absolutely love this recipe, and so will all of your friends. And you will not believe how easy it is. We've got one 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling. We've got a can of crushed pineapple. Not gonna drain it. We have we've got a stick of butter melted. We've got one stick of butter that we've cut up into pats, and then I use this Jiffy golden yellow cake mix, and it takes 2 boxes, whoop, right there, just like that. That's what we're using. And guys, I'm gonna tell you how real easy and simple this is. You're not gonna believe it. And guys, I'm telling you, every barbecuer needs to have great desserts to go along just to make sure that everybody has something to eat. We always have that sweet tooth after we have a big meal. Well, at least I do. I don't know about the rest of you, but I always have a sweet tooth. I'm always looking for that dessert, whether it's banana pudding or some type of cake, or whether it's peach cobbler, or whatever it is. I'm always looking for that dessert. And I'm telling you, this right here will, I promise you, will cure any sweet tooth desire. This cake right here will do it. And you won't believe how simple this really is. You gotta watch, guys. First thing we wanna do is take some spray and spray our pan. Now you can see I'm just doing an aluminum quarter-size pan. Most of you probably have these laying around for all of your barbecue needs. We're just gonna take cherry pie filling. You can use a 9x13 pan, whatever you've got laying around, but this is a 9, so this is pretty close to a 9x13. It's just a quarter pan, aluminum pan. I'm gonna put this right here. Smooth it out. You wanna go ahead and smooth this out before you put the pineapple in there, because the cherries are here. You don't wanna mix them up, it's just a layer. That's all we're doing, is layering everything. So you see it just like that. Then we take this pineapple and we just kind of sprinkle it all over. Just like that. And you can take it and barely move it around. You don't want to mix it up. This is, you really want to layer it. just like so. Guys, I'm telling you, the hard part is done. Then you take your cake mix, you put it all over the top, just like that, both boxes. And you can use a different cake mix if you want to. You're welcome to use a different pie filling, like you can use strawberry and pineapple. You can use whatever you want to do. This is just the one we normally do, is the cherry and pineapple. Has a great flavor. So we're just gonna take it, smooth it out just a little bit here. Then we're gonna take this stick of melted butter, we're just gonna pour it all over. Just like that. Look, man, that looks good already, doesn't it? Man. Then we're gonna take the stick of butter that we cut into pats. We're just gonna lay it all over the top, just like that. Just like that. That is all it takes, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So simple. 4 ingredients plus the pan and a little spray. That's it. 4 ingredients. Now, we're going to take this and get it outside on the pit balls, 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. So guys, come on. We've got that pit boss on. Let's go now. Get it on there. Let's go. Come on. All right, guys. There it is. 4 ingredients. Cherry pie filling, crushed pineapple, 2 boxes of that golden yellow cake mix by Jiffy, a stick of melted butter and a stick of cold butter, just cut into pats. We got it set on 350. Already got a couple of things in here rolling. Gonna set it right there in the center. Close the lid. She's gonna run for about 45 minutes. We'll come check her out in just a little bit, guys. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna get this off the pit balls, give her a taste test. I promise you, you will absolutely love it and you will not go wrong using this dump cake. Real simple, real easy, guys. I promise you, for a backyard barbecue guy like me, you can't ask for anything more simple that tastes any better. Hang around. All right, guys. This dump cake has been on there for 45 minutes exactly. Let's check it out, see what it looks like. Man, doesn't it look gorgeous? Golden brown. That cherry filling has bubbled up through that pineapple and through the top of that cake mix. Man, that's going to be amazing. Guys, let's get this off, get it inside, give it a taste test. Come on, let's check it out. All right, guys, we're in the dining room. Just got this dump cake off the pit balls. It is piping hot. Doesn't it look delicious in this bowl? I'm gonna tell you something. You could probably put a little bit of vanilla ice cream on top of this and it would just take the cake. No pun intended, but guys, let's give this a quick taste test and see how it is. A little bit of cherry, some pineapple, some of that cake. Man, that right there is off the chain. It is what? Amazing! That's right, that is an amazing dump cake. 4 ingredients, real quick, real simple. You can throw it on the pit balls just like we did. Smoker, in the oven, whatever you want to do, guys. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. It'll please everybody every time. So guys, thanks so much for joining. If you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell, give us a thumbs up, make some comments down below. Guys, we'd love to hear from each and every one of you. We just want you to know, Sandy, Bo, and I, we just want you to know we love you, but more importantly, we want you to know that God loves you. And until next time, now you're cooking, no coffee needed style.